how y'all doing? Okay, so this is my bangs, this is my hair, and if there's one thing I've been receiving so many DMs on is how do I style my bangs, and I'm just gonna show you guys because I think that's the easiest way I can do it. Let me show you guys my haircut. So basically my hair is literally the same length all around. My bangs are just kind of, they go kind of short to long and they just cut into here. And I'm gonna show you guys how I get them to look like this. Ew, that lighting is disgusting. What you're gonna need is any of these items. A blow dryer, a straightener, particularly one that's kind of rounded because I reckon it'll be so much easier for you if it's rounded. A brush, little clips or bobby pins, whatever you have. A heat protectant spray or oil. You don't need this, it's not an essential, but it makes a massive difference. The reason why I look like this is because I just sectioned off my fringe and I shampooed and conditioned it so I could style it and show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. So basically what I'm doing is I'm blow drying my hair in this direction, and then I'm blow drying it in this direction, and then I'm blow drying it downwards. And basically what that does is it stops my hair from kind of like naturally parting. So once you do this, it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna get a treatment, mainly because my hair is so bleached that I need this or else it gets really gross and crispy. The one that I use is the Lux oil by Wella. It's really good. And just put it through. Just go with this one more time. The whole blow drying thing is crucial because basically, see how my hair is just kind of falling like this? Now that I've created a part, it's still kind of forcing its way into the middle. That helps your bangs fall and your natural part to just like piss off. Once you're done blow drying, grab a hair straightener. I use the Cloud9. If there's one thing that I always invest in when it comes to hairstyling products, it's a straightener, and I like the ones that are curved because then I can curl and wave my hair. I do need to invest in a better blow dryer, but I just can't be fucked. Anyway, so grab your hair straightener. It automatically sits on 150, so you've got 100, 150, 200 and high. For the rest of my hair, I just put it up on high. I know that's not good, but I don't have patience and I just need it to, you know. But for your bangs, don't go to the lower setting and don't go to the highest setting. I'm gonna set it at 150 because what I've noticed is when it's set too high, it just either makes your hair feel really frizzy or it just does too much and then you can't do anything about it. Grab your brush, brush your fringe forward, and this is where you pick your part. So I want my hair kind of parted like in the middle, and clip this one here so you've got one side. Grab your brush again, and so you know how this falls here? I feel like I'm yelling at you guys. So you know how this one falls here? Grab it and brush it to the opposite side like this. This bit's important. Who is calling me? Grab your straightener, start right at the root and pull it the other way and curve it. So then you're gonna get this, okay? And then when you get that, grab it and pin it. But when you pin it, make sure you curve it, okay? Because that's important. Grab your other side and do the exact same thing. Let it sit for a little bit. Take out this, take out this. If you prefer it to not be like this, grab your straightener. So just right at the root, curve it. And that kind of gives you a bit more of a lift and it won't be as to the front, if you know what I mean. So that's literally how I style my bangs. And it's so easy, so simple. I like the fact that you can just do it with a hair straightener because I don't have the coordination for the brush. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go wash my fringe again, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it with this. Look, this one is honestly by VS Sassoon. I got it for $80. I think there's other ones out there that might work a little bit better, like by Remington or the Dyson, which by the way I have used and it is so worth the money, but my bank account says no. So you can let it dry naturally. We don't have patience for that, so I'm just gonna brush it. So blow dried hair, grab this, turn it on, start like this, and just kind of, okay, and then pull your hair to this side and do this, and then the other side. Okay, grab it all and do. Okay, so all blow dried. If you prefer more of a flick, turn it on, do this. And then other side. Ta-da! When I have time, I use this because it gives me a real like silky salon blowout fringe. So that's what I use to get my bangs to look like this. I use this one when I've got time, and especially if my hair's like freshly washed. And then I use this if I'm in a hurry and my hair's dry and I haven't washed it in like a day or two. All right guys, thanks for watching my YouTube tutorial on how to style bangs. If you have any more questions, please comment them down below. Why is this so zoomed in? Like seriously, relax. I do have a Pinterest board just here that has all these hairstyles that I like to try, but I will also do a hair tutorial on that. So enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.